Okay, how much time do you all spend in the grocery store and then you need all of these cleaning supplies? How much time do you spend looking for it, finding out they no longer stock it or they're out of it, whatever? This list is to show you that you can save time by having all of your cleaning supplies, personal supplies delivered. Click on the link in the description to go directly to my ideal list, and also click and like the video if this is useful to you. So here we have Meyer's Clean Day. Comes in multi-surface and hand soap and dishwashing soap. It comes in many different scents. They even have some based on the season. I love this stuff for cleaning up around the house. And for the sinks, Bon Ami. It's tried and true, and it's an older product, but I still love it. Cleans powerfully without harsh chemicals. For the toilet bowl, good old Lysol, hydrogen peroxide toilet bowl cleaner. Can't live without it. Powerful cleaning, 0% bleach. This double toilet roll holder goes more toward organization, but it also keeps things up off the floor and handy when you need them. Here's a tip. Keep some Honest wipes. These are sanitizing wipes with aloe. Keep some of these by your bathroom sink, and then when someone makes a mess, they can easily reach in, grab one, and clean it up. And here in the kitchen, it's Barkeeper's Friend. It's a cleanser. It can be used on stainless steel, porcelain, ceramic, copper, brass, fiberglass, and corian and chrome. For homes with pets, we sprinkle this down and let it set for a little while before I vacuum. It's safe, it's fresh, it smells amazing, just gives your house that fresh, clean scent without all of those chemicals that you are used to in other products. Aunt Fanny's Carpet Refresher. A little tip for keeping the house sanitary and clean is this bathroom napkin holder. Simple idea. It eliminates the need for hand towels when people wash. They simply just use one of these and throw it away. That's so much better than coming in and using a soggy, wet towel. This is a great tip for not spreading germs. Here we are again with Meyer's Clean Day soap, and this is the hand soap. Love this product, love this company. This one is Compassion Flower. Again, they come in many different scents. Small bathroom, use the smaller sizes of Kleenex and get one of these that will take up even less space in your bathroom. Getting into the laundry room, we use the Molly Suds laundry detergent sheets. They are safer, they are smaller, they take up less space, they don't litter the world with tons and tons of plastic, and they come in these little sheets. You just put one in each load. And then here we have the Fresh washing machine cleaner so that you can clean your washing machine about once a month. It comes in a 6-month supply. And here in the shower, we have Active Seal and Grout Mold Stain Remover. If you have any of that in your shower on your tile grout, this would be the item you would want to check out. It's formulated for a deep clean, and it can also be used on washing machine and refrigerator and dishwasher seals and gaskets, tub and shower, sink, toilet, window caulking, and tile grout. Okay, here's another one. This is for your high traffic carpet areas. This Resolve Stain Remover Carpet Cleaner. This is awesome for those places that are high traffic. You get some stubborn stains. This will definitely be your best friend. Here we are in the dining room where I have this huge table. I love Aunt Fanny's Wood Surface Cleaner. No obnoxious chemicals, no obnoxious scents, and it leaves your wood sparkling clean without all the chemicals, plant-based, made in the U.S., kid and pet friendly. And here's the thing. You're not leaving a nasty, oily buildup. One of my favorites in the kitchen, Dawn Power Wash. I use it on everything. Baking sheets that are kind of too greasy, I use it here in my sink and just let it kind of sit and scrub it. Love this stuff.